Unit 7 fire extinguishers. The components to a fire extinguisher is the cylinder, the discharge nozzle, the discharge trigger, the locking mechanism, the carrying handle, and the pressure gauge. The regulations on a fire extinguisher. IBC requires all fire extinguishers in almost every occupancy classification. The IFC regulates the certification of service personnel and the requirements of inspection, testing, and maintenance. NFPA 1 is the fire code. NFPA 101 is life safety code. NFPA 5000 is building construction and safety code. NFPA 10 deals with inspections. NFPA 10 is the standards of portable extinguishers. The minimum grade for people that select, purchase, install, approve, and list, design portable fire extinguishers. NFPA 101 does not require fire extinguishers for new and existing education occupancies. NFPA 101 and NFPA 5000, they require fire extinguishers in hotels, apartments. When approved, a supervised automatic sprinkler system is installed throughout the building. NFPA 1 and 5000 does require fire extinguisher installations in educational occupancies. There are 5 classifications of fire extinguishers. Class A, ordinary combustibles. Class B, flammable and combustible liquids. Class C, electrical. Class D, combustible metals. And Class K, your cooking. Common fire extinguishing agents. They're made up of different things. Water, foam, which is AFFF, FFP, carbon dioxide, dry chemicals, wet chemicals, and dry powders. Extinguishing agents in each classification. Class A has water, foam, and dry chemical. Class B has foam, carbon dioxide, dry chemical, and halon. Class C has water, carbon dioxide, dry chemical, halon, and cleaning agents. Class D is dry powder, and Class K is wet chemicals. Combination fire extinguishers are ABC, AB, and BC. Your Class A fire extinguishers are rated from 1A to 4A. Then we have 6A, 20A, and 30A. A Class A fire extinguisher must be able to put out a 20 by 20 by 20 inch wood crib fire. The higher the extinguisher rating, the larger the extinguisher. Each A equals 1.25 gallons. Class B, if rated 40B, non-experts should be able to put out a 40 square foot pan fire. 1B to 20B rated extinguishers are for indoor fires. 30B and up is for outdoor fires. For Class C fire extinguishers, they don't receive a rating because there's no actual fire test. There is a test that checks the conductivity between the agent, the nozzle, the horn, and the hose. Rating systems only apply to Class A and Class B fire extinguishers. The 3 categories of fire extinguishers. You have your pump, which will require manual operations of the pump mechanism, usually 2.5 to 5 gallons. You have your stored pressure and pressurized gas, where extinguishing agents are mixed in the same tank. They may use different agents, such as water, antifreeze, wetting agent, loaded stream charge, foam, dry chemical, wet chemical, and dry powder halon. Cartridges and cylinders. Similar to being stored pressure, the pressurized gas is stored in separate cartridges and attached to the tank, and it allows for easy maintenance. Fire extinguisher operations. We use the PASS acronym. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the trigger, and go in a sweeping motion. Visually inspecting fire extinguishers. NFPA 10 outlines the minimum for inspection of portable extinguishers. It's the responsibility of the owner. People who inspect must be trained and certified. Monthly visual inspections every 30 days. The fire extinguisher needs to be accessible in the normal path of travel, have an inspection tag, and be placed in the correct location. The gauge should be within the normal range. The label should be readable and should check for any physical damage. Maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Maintenance should be done annually. Internal inspection should be done except for in non-rechargeable types. Maintenance must be done by trained personnel, and this includes disassembling, emptying extinguisher, performing an internal inspection, recharging, cleaning, and replacing the agent. Replace worn and damaged parts. Testing. Testing on fire extinguishers should be done by qualified personnel. Should be refillable extinguishers require hydrostatic testing. Testing intervals are 5 years to 12 years depending on the extinguisher. Tests include disassembling, filling with water, immersing the component in water, and pressurizing the component. Thank you.